Here's how to make an iPhone alarm louder. Now, let's head into the clock app on your phone and tap on alarms at the bottom left. Now, if you want to increase the sound or volume of an alarm, you can tap on it, and there are two different options here. Let's tap on where it says sound, and you'll find that some alarm sounds are softer than others. So you can see the radial is the default. It's not very loud. If you wanted the loudest one, I find that the loudest one, if you go to classic and tap on alarm, you can see that is quite a loud alarm, and you can use that as your alarm. But there's another way that you can also just change the volume on it. So let's go back to radial here. And what you're going to do is take your finger, swipe down from the bottom or top right here, and that little volume slider. If I slide this all the way up, you can see it's quite loud. If I slide it all the way down, it's silent. So again, at the very top, then that will be the loudest volume you can have. And again, if you want to go over and switch it to the classic and alarm, you can see that is a loud alarm that will definitely wake you up or notify you. You'll be able to hear it no matter what. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.